In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Markets and click on it. This is where Shopify groups your selling regions. You'll see a list of markets that you've already set up. Go ahead and select the market where you want to change the country or region. Once you're inside that market's editor, look at the very first card at the top of the page. Just underneath its title, you'll see a line that starts with the word includes, and next to it is the country or region you initially set for that market. Right beside the country or region name, there's a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to edit. A pop-up window will appear with a list of countries and regions. If you want to remove the current country from this market, use the search bar inside that pop-up to search for your existing country or region, then simply deselect it. If you want to keep it, you can just leave it checked. Next, use the same search bar to look for the new country or region you want to add. When you find it, select it. Once you are happy with your selection, click the Done button at the bottom right of the pop-up to confirm those changes. Back in the Market Editor, move to the next card labeled Customized. Here you can adjust how pricing works for that market. Click the drop-down next to Currency. From the list, select the appropriate currency for the new country or region. Shopify usually shows a recommended currency at the top, based on the country you just selected. Below that, choose whether you want prices to be rounded and whether the exchange rate should be dynamic or set manually. If your market includes more than one country, you can choose to use local currency and again decide if you want price rounding. When everything looks right, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now, at the top of the market page, near the search bar, click Save to apply all of these changes. Next, let's make sure your customers can actually switch countries or regions on your storefront. On the left panel of the admin dashboard, click Online Store. You'll see your list of themes with your current theme at the top. On your current theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel where all your sections are listed. Find your header section and click it to open its settings. Scroll until you find the Utilities area. Under Utilities, make sure that the country or region selector is enabled so customers can see and change their location from the header. If you'd like, you can repeat this process for your Furite section as well, enabling the selector there too for more visibility. When you're done, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. That's it. You've updated your market's country settings and made sure customers can select their country or region directly on your Shopify store.